So what is happening right now with price action of Bitcoin? Because if you monitor this price movement starting in a weekly time frame, guys, I am actually going to show you this one scenario which played out here in 2013, 2017, and also right now could be playing out here in 2021. Because if you go back here and look at this price structure, when the price of Bitcoin was following this symmetrical triangle type of scenario, before breaking here to the upside, you can see once the price started breaking out of this upper line area of this symmetrical triangle, we started a new impulsive move, and this new impulsive move or this mark-off phase was also following this parabolic curve, right? And as soon as the price broke out of this parabolic curve, which was previously acting as a very strong line of support, but as soon as we broke out of this parabolic curve, then actual bear market from 2018 started and brought us all the way towards this 3000 price range. And now if we look in 2017 and 2021, by using this symmetrical triangle, you can see here, guys, the price of Bitcoin is doing pretty similar to this scenario here from 2013-14, because after breaking out of this upper line area of the symmetrical triangle, we started this new trend, right? And what we are going to do again, just like here, we are also going to look at this by using this parabolic curve scenario, because this parabolic curve was also actually acting as a strong line of support, just like in the past Bitcoin price action. You can see support, right? Plenty of time, and price also started this upward rally. But now, since the parabolic curve scenario has already been broken and price is heading to the downside, is it going to be a pretty similar scenario just like this one here after breaking the parabolic curve line? So if the price of Bitcoin is going to see another rally here to the downside, just like here from 2018, we want one confirmation from this moving averages, because if you have watched my videos, you know we have talked about this 50 weekly moving average and 200 weekly moving average plenty of time in my videos. So now, along with this symmetrical triangle and this parabolic curve, right now if you look at this in 2018, when the price started this downward rally, this downward rally got a strong support at this 50 weekly moving average. But once the 50 weekly moving average also failed to hold the price, you can see after that the price started an actual trend reversal, brought us all the way towards the 200 weekly moving average, calling it a bottom, and then started this new move here to the upside. And now if we look in our current scenario, guys, you can see this is exactly what we are also witnessing in 2021. I mean, we have already broken out of this parabolic curve scenario, just like here from 2018, and price here is also around this 50 weekly moving average. So if this is going to be a pretty similar scenario just like here, before choosing an actual trend duration here to the downside or to the upside, the price here must break below this 50 weekly moving average. So as long as the price here is holding its ground around this 50 weekly moving average, we cannot say that the price here is in an actual complete downtrend or just a temporary pullback before we start again heading here to the upside. So right now, as we can see, we are letting price do its thing and look for proper confirmation before calling an actual trend direction. Because see, guys, we did talk about this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve in a weekly time frame for Bitcoin, and we said whenever an actual trend reversal started, the price always came at the top of this channel, and only after that a trend reversal happened, bringing it all the way towards the bottom of the channel. You can see we came at the top of the channel, and after that a bear market or trend reversal that brought us all the way towards the bottom of the channel, and then a new trend started. Same happened here in 2017. We came at the top of the channel, and then actual trend reversal started, bringing us all the way towards the bottom of the channel. This year was more of a black swan event. So you can see here right now, if this is an actual bull market, the bull market is going to end only after reaching the top of the channel. And also, guys, also when you look at this price structure with each and every mark-up phase, markdown phase, mark-up phase, we also saw this kind of pullback which brought us Bitcoin to test this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and again started the journey here to the upside. Came at the top of the channel, correction. You can see this new trend started. There was also this corrective move, right, which brought us back towards this 1.618, just like in the previous example. 1.618 found support, and then a new rally started, bringing us all the way towards the top of the channel. So now, if this is going to play out just like here from the past Bitcoin price action, the 2018 downward rally also started only after reaching the top of the channel. And now this pullback here just like from this 2017, right? And also here from 2013 and also here from 2011, you can see this is also a pullback that is actually showing us that, hey, this pullback has happened plenty of time in the past Bitcoin price action whenever we have seen an actual bull market scenario playing out for Bitcoin. So if this is to play out just like it from 2017, right, 2013, 2011, then the price here at any cost should not break below this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, because we have always found a proper support above this line, and again a new price movement here in this manner. So that's why, guys, that's why we are not allowed to break below this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So that's why 31,000 and 30,000 price range support is very, very important support for Bitcoin, because breaking that will actually invalidate all this bullish scenario that is playing out for Bitcoin, and we should be seeing a corrective move or this continuation pattern here to the downward direction. So now again, what we are going to do here in a weekly time frame is we are going to take this parabolic curve scenario that is actually pointing out that if the price of Bitcoin is to follow this parabolic curve here, right, then we are aware that this parabolic curve has acted as a strong line of support, and after that we could see some impulsive move playing out. So if the price of Bitcoin does manages to remain above this 30,000 support line, right, and consolidate some more, then we should be absolutely fine, because this price movement here, right, could be also showing us this Elliott wave, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after that this final impulsive move before starting a trend reversal scenario. So that's why if the price of Bitcoin does manages to stay above this 1.618, the price of Bitcoin could see some really nice impulsive move before an actual trend reversal starts playing out. This here is an example of Elliott wave. 1, 3, and 5 are impulsive move, 2 and 4 are corrective move, and in our case, since 1 has played out, impulsive move point 3 has played out, this is corrective move, and now if there is going to be another impulsive move, then we might be forming this final impulsive move, the wave 5, before an actual trend reversal starts appearing for Bitcoin, because this here in altogether is still an impulsive move from this Elliott wave if this is to play out. So let's see how this is going to play out for Bitcoin. But if you look at this price structure right now in a daily time frame, you can see here, guys. So right now what we are going to do here in a daily time frame, I did try different scenarios, but this one seems to be working out best, because right now, guys, you can see the price movement inside this descending channel makes a lot of sense, because the upper line here was acting as a very, very strong line of resistance, right? This was a fake out. After that, you can see the price started again following this descending channel. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Price is trying plenty of time to break here to the upside, but it's getting rejection again and again. And the lower line here is acting as a strong line of support. And now, since the price of Bitcoin is holding a very, very important line of support, the central line, if you look at the central line, you can see this central line has also acted as a strong line of support here in the past Bitcoin price action, and also as a resistance when we try to break here to the upward direction. So that's why, guys, right now what we want the price is to stay over this central line in a daily time frame, because if this is going to play out where the price here finds support at the lower line area, then you can also look at this price movement in this manner, because this here, right, is actually showing us the price of Bitcoin could be forming this falling wedge type of scenario inside this descending channel. So if this is going to remain, if this price is going to see another movement here, then the price of Bitcoin has to break out of this upper line area of this falling wedge, because this upper line area along with this upper line area from this descending channel is acting as a strong line of resistance. So if the price of Bitcoin does manage to break out of this upper line area of this falling wedge, then we could see this impulsive move that could bring us again to retest this upper line area of this descending channel that could bring us above 33,000 price range. So let's see how this one is going to play out, because breaking this line here, the central line and also the lower line of this falling wedge, could trigger another pullback type of scenario that could bring us again back towards this 30,000 price range. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.